morning. I'm literally still in my pajamas, just got up before. I am caffeinated so I can speak. Today we're going to Brissy / a few other places to get some stuff, picking up something from Marketplace, going to IKEA because we have this set of drawers and I want a third one and I haven't been able to find it on Marketplace, so I'm giving in and just going straight to the source. Yeah, thought I'd bring you guys on the adventure. We're gonna go cafe hopping, maybe go to a botanical garden. Of course, Darcy just gets in the shower now. I've got these pair of chunky Veja sneakers. I haven't worn these out in public yet, so I'm really determined to style an outfit to work with this. It is still summer here, so ideally I would wear like jeans and like layer up and stuff, but I feel like it might be too hot, so I'm gonna try and see if like the dress and chunky sneaker look works. Time to slather this up. I'm already thinking no for this outfit. Love it aesthetically. It is just very hot today. The all white definitely just goes well together, doesn't it? I'm gonna take a picture on my phone of each of these because then I can actually scroll through them and look at what they look like rather than trying to remember. This one I was a little bit worried about, but I'm actually happy how it's come together. I'm all about layering button ups, so I put the white button up underneath my DIY jumpsuit. Like, it's very comfortable and airy and all together. Like, she's sporty, she's ready to go. Damn it. I hate how much I like this one. Lucky last, we have the simple black dress laid up with the blazer at the moment. I feel like this is very city vibes. Like, I can pull the sleeves up if I get hot, pull them down if it's a bit aircon and cool. She's a big potential. Or the more casual vibe, which probably suits more coast life, is the Hawaiian shirt. I kind of feel like I'm going to like a festival or something in this, which isn't a bad thing, but I'm not sure if that's what I want today to be. Both of these throwovers are thrifted. I have no idea where this dress is. I think I've had it for years and like altered it many times. Let's do this. Chessboard has been secured. Cute. Who are you wearing today? We picked up the chessboard from the lady off Marketplace and now we've made it to New Farm area. Gonna go find a cafe.
All the things I think about when I think about you, like the times you call it out.
We ended up at a cafe called King Arthur Cafe and I have been there a few times, so I just went to an Old Faithful because I knew it would deliver the goods. Then when we were sitting there, Darcy had a little scroll on Marketplace because the chess board that I bought from the other lady was just the board and no pieces, and there's this chess set that has the right pieces up on the sunny coast, but bloody Carol's not sending them to me, so Darcy found a set just down the... No, you found pieces, no board, which is exactly what we need, and they're onyx and marble, which is exactly the base that I got. How good is it when the universe just like works in your favor? But the thing is, we can't pick it up from her until 3 p.m. It is currently 1 p.m, so we've killed a bit of time. We found an antique shop that was on Commercial Road. Highly recommend checking it out. We found this little stall within their shop, and this lady, she travels to Italy and finds secondhand vintage clothing from there. She just came back and there was so many beautiful pieces. I really had to hesitate trying to buy it all, but I did try on one toweling dress. Luckily, for my bank's sake, it was too big for me, so I didn't get it. I did end up getting a little shell necklace, which I'll show you later. Plant Boy and I have just rocked up to the... I can never say it. Is it coot-tha? Coot-tha.
Coot-tha.
Coot-tha Botanical Gardens. And I'm gonna be really annoying and weird and get changed into my pink dress. This lady's not going to be home for another like 20 minutes, so we found a park near hers. We have made it to IKEA. If you put the good vibes out, you get them back. We went to pick up the chess pieces and the lady thought she only had chess pieces. Also, we're next to the highway, sorry for the noise, but she thought she only had chess pieces, but there was actually like a marble and onyx chessboard in there. So for the price of the pieces, we got a board and some pieces. So that means we have 2 boards now. So we need to figure out what we're gonna do with that. But for now, let's go get some drawers and some curtains. Yeehaw! There's a loud truck going by. It is the next day. We didn't get home until like pretty much around sunset, so I didn't film anything, but I have some fun stories to share. As you can tell, one of the outfits from yesterday that didn't get worn, I'm wearing today. I went and had a cute coffee catch up with DIY Daisy. If you're in the sewing world or the DIY world, you probably know who she is. If you don't, definitely go follow her. She's such a cutie. Actually, the little darling bought me a present. So if you make your own clothes, she's done a collaboration and created these like labels that say DIY dreams, self-taught, DIY style, DIY, and like cute little flowers, which is her branding and bright colors. And then you can like add that into your finished pieces. So now I can like add this onto my jumpsuits and my dresses and my tops, and it will have a cute little custom label. We got coffee and some treats around the corner, and then we went and looked at some op shops and an antique shop. I tried my very best to avoid buying stuff because I just feel like I'm content at the moment. I don't need to buy more stuff. And I was very good. I only bought this little like bamboo bag, which I'm currently putting our vitamins in on the kitchen bench to cover them up because they look ugly. And now they look cute because they're in a little bamboo bag. I'll probably use it for something else. But anyway, the whole adventure with the chessboard was hilarious yesterday. So we got the first chessboard without the pieces. Stunning. Obsessed. All my dreams come true. Aesthetic and the materials used in the board. I think it's like a mixture of onyx and marble. So we got that. Then when we were sitting at the cafe, we did a bit of a scroll on Marketplace. Found that lady and we had a few hours to kill. And this is where it gets amazing. So we went there. We thought we were just getting pieces. I'll show you how it all looks. And as she was like unboxing it to show us, she realized there actually was a chessboard in there. So again, it's like a marble onyx mix, but it's much more like white and green. Whereas the first one we got is more like pink, white and green. And personally, I prefer the pinky one. The pieces that we got as a part of that surprise set actually suits the first board that we got way more. So the first board we got was $50. The pieces were going to be $100, so $150 for a full set. Such a good price for this type of material and a chessboard like this. Yeah, obviously when she opened it up and was like, oh, there's a board here, like, oh, are you still comfortable selling it to us for $100? Like, we're happy to pay more. And she was like, no, that's fine. Like, she was just sweet about it. I guess she was just getting rid of it anyway. She still got $100. I don't know, it just put me on the biggest high, this whole situation. Remember I was mentioning I went to that antique shop and I got that cowrie necklace. I liked this because it has the cowrie shells and then these little like brass beads in between. Cute. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed coming along that adventure with us yesterday. I'm sure you'll see stuff about the curtains and the wardrobe drawers and how they all look in our space, but I hope you have a lovely day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in upcoming videos.